Welcome back to my channel. Today, once again, we are using ChatGPT's AI Advanced Voice Mode. We're doing another 10 phrase challenge to work on our listening comprehension. Let's see how many I got right. So I was hoping we could do another Japanese phrase test today. Could you give me 10 phrases in Japanese and I will try and tell you what they mean in English?
Of course, let's do it. All right, here's the first phrase. O genki desu ka?
Can we make them a little harder?
Absolutely. Let's step it up a little bit. All right, here's a slightly harder one. この町には美味しいレストランがたくさんあります. Let me know what you think that one means.
One more time, please.
Sure, the phrase is この町には美味しいレストランがたくさんあります. Let me know if you can figure it out.
Is it this town or this city has many delicious restaurants?
You nailed it. That's exactly what it means. All right, let's keep going. Here's another one. 毎朝散歩をするのが好きです。
もう一度言ってください。
もちろん、もう一度言います。毎朝散歩をするのが好きです。Let me know if you got it this time.
I'm not 100% sure, but it was something about going on walks every morning.
You're really close. It means I like taking a walk every morning. So you definitely got the gist of it. All right, let's try another one.
Could you break that down word by word for me?
Absolutely. So, 毎朝 means every morning. 散歩する means to take a walk. And のが好きです means I like. So altogether, it's I like taking a walk every morning. All right, let's go with another one. Here's the next phrase. 週末は友達と映画を見に行きます. Let's see if you can figure out what that one means.
One more time.
Sure, the phrase is 週末は友達と映画を見に行きます. Let me know what you think it means.
I'm going to watch a movie with my friends this weekend.
Exactly. You got it spot on. Awesome job. All right, let's keep the momentum going. Here's the next one. 日本の文化に興味があります. Let me know what you think that means.
One more time.
Of course, the phrase is 日本の文化に興味があります. Take your time and let me know what you think.
I have no idea for that one.
No worries. That one means I'm interested in Japanese culture. You're doing great though. Let's try another one and see how it goes.
Could you break that one down word by word for me?
Absolutely. So Nihon means Japan or Japanese. No is a possessive particle. So Nihon no means Japanese or of Japan. Bunka means culture. Ni is a particle indicating interest or direction. Kyomi means interest, and ga arimasu means there is or I have. So altogether, it means I have an interest in Japanese culture. All right, let's keep it going. Here's the next phrase. 天気がいい日は公園で本を読みます. See if you can figure out what that means.
Say it again for me.
Sure. The phrase is 天気がいい日は公園で本を読みます. Let me know what you think it means.
Are you saying that it's nice weather to read a book in the park?
You're really close. It means on days when the weather is nice, I read a book in the park. So you definitely got the idea. Let's keep going with the next one. All right, here comes the sixth one. 料理をするのが楽しいです. Let me know what you think that one means.
Could you say it again, please?
Of course, the phrase is 料理をするのが楽しいです. Let me know what you think it means.
You're saying something is fun or amusing, but I'm not sure what the first word is.
No problem. So, 料理 means cooking, and をする means to do or to make, and 楽しいです means is fun. So altogether, it means cooking is fun. No worries at all. You're doing great. All right, let's move on to the next one. Here's the seventh phrase. 音楽を聴くのが好きです. Let me know what you think that one means.
Are you just saying that you like listening to music?
Exactly. You got it. It means I like listening to music. Great job. All right, let's go for the next one. Here we go with the next one. 友達と話すのが楽しいです. Let me know what you think that means.
Are you just saying that you enjoy talking to your friends?
That's exactly it. It means I enjoy talking to my friends. You're doing great, and we've got a couple more to go, so let's keep it rolling.
For the last two, could you increase the difficulty?
Absolutely. Let's step it up a little bit. All right, here's the next one. 将来世界中を旅したいと思っています. Let me know if you can figure that one out.
One more time.
Sure. The phrase is 将来世界中を旅したいと思っています. Let me know what you think it means.
I actually have, I actually have no idea with this one. It sounded like you either have something or are holding something in your possession, but I have no idea.
No worries at all. This one means in the future, I would like to travel all around the world. So it's a bit more complex, but you did great. Let's try one more at that level.
We can bring the difficulty back down because that was a bit too difficult for me.
Got it. No problem at all. We'll keep it nice and easy for the last one. Here it is. 猫が大好きです. Let's see if you can get that one.
Are you just saying that you love cats?
Exactly. You got it. It means I love cats. Great job with all of these. This was a lot of fun.